Good morning, student. We will study a new chapter 10, vector algebra. So here vector, if any quantity has magnitude with direction then called vector. Okay, it means कोई भी ऐसी quantity जो magnitude के साथ direction भी show करती हो then called vector. Okay, let a vector AB so denoted by this symbol. Okay, and length of this arrow showing a magnitude and arrow here showing direction. Now position of a vector. Let here a point P, coordinate is x, y, z in 3-dimensional. Then position vector of P with respect to center O. It means OP vector xi plus yj plus zk, where I, j, k are unit vector with respect to x axis, y axis and z axis respectively. Okay. Now distance of 2 points OP. So here according class 11 using distance formula, center here O and here point P, coordinate here x, y, z. So here distance, using here distance formula in 3-dimensional, x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 plus z2 minus z1. So here magnitude of OP is x square plus y square plus z square. It means given any vector, if here A is equal to a1i plus b1j plus c1k, then here magnitude of A root of coefficient of I square, coefficient of I unit vector, and plus of coefficient of V whole square and coefficient of K square. Clear? Then this is magnitude of vector A. Okay, this is clear. So now magnitude denoted by OP here mod R only OP. Okay. Now next point is taking some example A vector, then find here magnitude of this. Now next topic is direction cosine. Let a point P in 3-dimensional, it means coordinate here x, y, z. Clear? Make here cube. So this here x and here y and here z, and OP here position vector of point P. Okay, and here alpha, beta, gamma angle made by the positive x, y, z and x, y, z axis. Clear? Here alpha, beta, gamma are cosine angle or direction angle of OP. Clear? So here direction cosine here cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Okay, and here denoted by also here LMN. It means cos alpha is equal to L, cos beta is equal to M and cos gamma is equal to N. Clear? Now we will take a point. This is 3-dimensional, so not explain this. So but taking some A diagram, O and this here Y and this point here P. Clear? It means this here this and point this. Clear? So let here y and this r and this. Clear? So here cos beta is equal to y upon r, because here OP is the hypotenuse. 3-dimensional फिगर को हम ऐसे समझा नहीं सकते. क्लियर? बट इसका मैंने क्या कर लिया, छोटा सा एक पार्ट ले लिया y एक्सिस के अकॉर्डिंग. ओके, नाउ हियर दिस पॉइंट इज P. क्लियर, क्योंकि यहां इस पॉइंट से लेकर के ये एक पॉइंट होगा ऐसे, क्लियर। तो ये चीज मैंने एक्सप्लेन की। सो cos अल्फा इज इक्वल टू हियर y अपॉन r बिकॉज एडजेसेंट साइड अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस। सो cos बीटा इज इक्वल टू y अपॉन r। Similarly, cos alpha is equal to x upon r and cos gamma is equal to z upon r. Clear? It means if given here any vector here OP is equal to here xi plus yz plus zk, okay, and where magnitude of r is root of x square plus y square plus z square, then direction cosine is x upon r. It means the direction cosine is x upon r and y upon r and z upon r. This is direction cosine of OP vector, or it can write here x upon mod of OP also, and here y upon mod of OP and z upon mod of OP. Okay, हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं। Okay, so here cos alpha is equal to x upon cos beta is equal to y upon r, cos gamma is equal to z upon r. If taking square l square plus m square plus n square is equal to or cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. Okay, so here x square plus upon r square plus y square upon r square z square upon r square. Add this. So this, you know that here r is equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. So where r is equal to this, वही जो चीज मैंने यहाँ आपको समझाई वो चीजें यहाँ राइट कर दी। Clear? Now here, so r square is equal to this. So here this is r square. So r square upon r square, this is 1. It means here if taking square of direction cosine and sum of all direction cosine, then here this is equal to 1. Okay, तो आपको अब ये याद रखना है x y z एक्सिस के अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम डायरेक्शन कोसाइन को स्क्वायर करके सम करें तो आंसर उसका क्या आएगा, 1 आएगा। ओके, नाउ टाइप ऑफ वेक्टर, फर्स्ट ईयर जीरो वेक्टर। इफ ए वेक्टर हुज मैग्नीट्यूड इज जीरो, किसी भी वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड करिए, जीरो आ गया, देन दिस इज जीरो वेक्टर। यूनिट वेक्टर, इफ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ एनी वेक्टर इज 1, then here unit vector, and denoted by here unit vector here cap. Clear? If write this cap, then this called here unit vector. Clear? Now example here, a is equal to this, so then magnitude of a, so here root of coefficient of I square, coefficient of j square, coefficient of k square. Okay, here 0, so this is 0 vector. And this given here a vector, this find here magnitude here 1, so here a vector is called unit vector. Now co-initial vector, if two or more vector having the same initial point are called co-initial vectors. यानी बहुत सारे vectors जब एक ही पॉइंट से निकलते हों तो उन सभी vectors को हम क्या कहेंगे, co-initial vectors कहेंगे, यानी उनके इनिशियल पॉइंट एक ही होने चाहिए। क्लियर? सो हियर a b d are co-initial vectors, but C is not co-initial. Okay, collinear vector, two or more vectors are said to be collinear if they are parallel to same line irrespective of their magnitude and direction. Okay, it means taking here example, this here collinear vector, it means parallel होने चाहिए, डायरेक्शन उनके अलग अलग हों कोई मतलब नहीं। क्लियर? Okay, so here a b c here parallel, so this called here collinear vector, but this is not parallel, so here not collinear vector. Okay, now equal vectors, if two vector a and b are equal, if they have the same magnitude and same direction, दो वेक्टर ऐसे हो जिनके मैग्नीट्यूड भी सेम होने चाहिए और डायरेक्शन भी सेम होने चाहिए, then called equal vector. Okay, here example that AB here equal vector, but C here not equal, magnitude are same but direction here different. So here this called A and C are opposite vector to each other, or B and C are opposite vector to each other. Here A and B are equal. Okay, so here A vector is equal to B vector, but this is opposite. So if write here B vector equals C vector, then write here minus C, because here direction opposite. So A equal B equal, this is equal, but this is direction here change, magnitude are same. So this write here minus C vector. Okay, अगर डायरेक्शन को हम चेंज करेंगे तो हमें माइनस राइट करना होगा. नाउ नेगेटिव वेक्टर. If a vector whose magnitude is the same as that of a given vector A, similarly this write here A vector. Clear? But if write here same magnitude but direction change, then this is नेगेटिव वेक्टर ऑफ ए. ओके, यानी हमने ये वेक्टर ड्रा कर दिया. डायरेक्शन इसकी क्या है? दिस साइड. अगर मैंने इस साइड के लिए सेम मैग्नीट्यूड का कोई वेक्टर राइट कर दी, देन दिस इज नेगेटिव वेक्टर. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 10.1. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड ग्राफिकली ए डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ 40 किलोमीटर 30 ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ. ओके, सो फर्स्ट शोइंग ए डायरेक्शन east, west, north, south. Clear? It means north to east or east of north. North this direction. So this 30 degree and go is 40 kilometer. So right here this 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay. So this OP here showing north to east. Here 30 degree. Okay. This is graphically representation. This is graphical displacement. Here 40 kilometer in north to east. Now component of a vector. If a point P the coordinate x, y, z, then here position vector of OP xi plus yz plus zk. Then here component of vector OP is x, y, z. Here is scalar component, but here vector component is xi, yj and zk. Clear? Now some properties of vectors. If here A and B are two vectors where A is equal to this, B is equal to this, then A plus B. So sum this. So unit vector I here sum and J here, K here. Clear? It means I को हम I में ही ऐड कर सकते हैं, J को J में ऐड कर सकते हैं, K को K में ऐड कर सकते हैं. हम किसी यूनिट वेक्टर को दूसरे की कोफिशिएंट में ऐड नहीं कर सकते. सेम इज डिफरेंस. Now here, if two vectors are equal, if coefficient of I, if coefficient of J and if coefficient of K are same, clear? It means I के coefficient, J के coefficient, K के coefficient सब different, it means अलग अलग equal होने चाहिए, then both vectors are called equal vector. Okay? Now multiplication of a vector A by any scalar, लैम्डा समथिंग एनी स्केलर. जब हम किसी भी स्केलर क्वांटिटी से किसी भी वेक्टर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो स्केलर ऑल कोफिशिएंट ऑफ आई जे के हियर मल्टीप्लाई. क्लियर? यानी आई जे के कोफिशिएंट आई जे के सभी कोफिशिएंट को मल्टीप्लाई करता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज वेक्टर्स जॉइनिंग टू पॉइंट्स. लेट हियर P1 and P2 here 2 point x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. Then first position vector of P1 OP1, then here x1i plus y1j plus z1k, and next point here x2 y2 z2. So position vector of OP2 x2i plus y2j plus z2k. Okay, so here P1 P2 is equal to here position vector of OP and OP2, here P1 and P2. So here P1 and P2 is equal to here OP2 minus OP1. आपको ये माइंड में रखना है. If find here P1 P2, then last point here P2 and initial point here P1. So position vector of last point minus position vector of initial point. Okay, हमेशा माइंड में रखना है कि जो लास्ट पॉइंट होता है वो पहले लिखते हैं पॉजिटिव में और इनिशियल पॉइंट को माइनस कर देते हैं उसकी पोजीशन को. ओके, सो दिस इज ओके. सेम एज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 10.2. इट मींस पोजीशन वेक्टर जब कभी भी दो पॉइंट को ज्वाइन किया जाता है तो वो वेक्टर कैसे फाइंड आउट किया जाता है. नाउ हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. गिवन हियर पॉइंट 1 2 3 एंड हियर 4 5 6. Here given 2 points. So find here PQ. Okay. So PQ, it means Q here last point. So position vector of OQ minus position vector of P. It means position vector of last point minus position vector of initial point. Okay. So find here, because this is x1, y1, z1 and this is x2, y2, z2. So use this formula. Okay. Now next point is section formula. So सेम इज क्लास 11। जैसे हम क्लास 11th में सेक्शन फॉर्मूला दो टाइप के पढ़ते थे, एक इंटरनली होता था और एक एक्सटर्नली। लेट हियर पी एंड क्यू हियर 2 पॉइंट्स एंड आर इंटरनली डिवाइड रेशियो m रेशियो टू n. So this m and this n and position vector of OP and OQ. Then position vector of OR is equal to here OP into this ratio. It means n into OP and plus of OQ vector into m. Same is class 11. Okay. If externally divide, then here we take this question, let this topic. Okay. So you find out. Now if externally divide, then here we take here P and Q 2 points. Here P x1, y1, z1 and Q here x2, y2, z2 and R here externally divide m ratio to n. So initial point, this distance here m and this here n, because divide by externally m ratio to n. Then here according class 11, if externally divide, then here position vector of OP. Okay. OP into this n. Okay. And minus of internally में प्लस होता है और एक्सटर्नली में क्या होता है माइनस. Then here OR into here, sorry, OQ into here m. Listening again. So here position vector of OR is equal to OP vector into n and OQ vector and m. Okay. But here minus. If here n positive, then n minus m. But if write this first, then write here m minus n. Okay. According this topic, this question number 15 here, find here externally. If a point are externally divide, then find this. Okay. So solve this. Okay.